Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Honda Odyssey's Bluetooth system. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on, either in accessory mode or fully running. Next, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth function is turned on and discoverable. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. We're aiming for a quick and easy pairing so you can enjoy hands-free communication and audio. Now, let's move inside your Odyssey. Look for the phone button, usually found on your dashboard or steering wheel controls. Press this button to bring up the phone menu on your vehicle's display screen. From there, navigate through the options until you find and select Bluetooth settings. This is where we'll begin the pairing process to link your phone. With Bluetooth settings open, select the option to add a new device. Your Odyssey will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your phone, you should see Hands-Free Link or Honda Odyssey appear in the list of available devices. Select it. A 6-digit pairing code will display on both your phone and the Odyssey's screen. Confirm they match to proceed. Once the codes match, your phone and the Odyssey are paired. You might be prompted to allow your phone to sync contacts and call history. Accept this for full functionality. To confirm everything is working, try making a quick test call or playing some audio through your phone. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming in your Honda Odyssey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.